kick me out, kick me out. I don't wanna hear you, I don't wanna hear you. Fake tales of San Francisco echo through the air. There's a few bored faces at the back hall wishing they weren't there. And as the microphone squeaks, the young girl's telephone beeps. Yeah, she's dashing for the exit, oh, she's running for the streets outside. Oh, you save me, she screams down the line. The band weren't very good and I'm not having a nice time. I don't want to hear you, kick me out, kick me out. I don't want to hear you, no, kick me out, kick me out. His bare things is amazing though, so all that's left is the proof that love's not only blind but deaf.